Hey guys, welcome back to Christine's Raw Spice. So today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be cooking a tomahawk steak. I never tried it, never even cooked it before, so this is my first time. And I got so lucky because I went to my Kroger store to purchase this and the person was just so awesome. And he literally gave us two of these for like $20. And they're like $10.99 a pound. So really, I was supposed to spend, I think, $27 just for one. And I got it for $10.44. So oh my God, that was just like awesome. So yeah, so we're going to go ahead and season this meat. Now, I would probably, personally I would cut that fat off. But I was watching a lot of videos on YouTube where they leave that fat on because it helps the steak to be juicy. And you don't want to dry it out. So I'm going to keep the fat on. Just because we keep it on, we don't have to eat it. As you know, it probably won't taste good anyway. So I found the seasoning at my local store. And I think it was like $4. And I was wanting to try it out. I'm going to let y'all know this is some good seasoning and it is worth $4. But if you're not trying to spend that much money, don't try to. I think Amazon got it for like $2. I'm going to also add some onion powder. I'm all out of breath because I literally just jogged up the stairs. So I'm going to add some garlic powder as well. Onion powder and garlic powder. These do not have any salt in it, so you can go crazy on it. I love garlic powder and onion powder, so I'm going to use a lot. And I'm also going to use about just a sprinkle of black pepper. And then just rub everything on your steak. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side as well. In my heated cast iron skillet, I feel like that you should use a cast iron skillet for this steak rather than just a regular skillet. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of olive oil and about a tablespoon and a half of butter. This will give it a more juicier taste as well because once you add your steak on and it starts cooking that fat on there, and then on top of that, the oil and the butter is going to keep it from sticking. And it's going to give you the most awesome seared steak ever. So I'll have my pan on medium high. You don't want to cook it too low because then it'll start cooking inside. And we're going to end up putting it inside the oven. So we want to just make our steak nice and seared. And then we'll transfer it in the oven. I added about 3 garlic cloves inside of my pan. I make sure I sliced it in half as well. And I'm going to add some rosemary and thyme and something else that's inside of it too, I forgot. But I got this at Kroger's for $1.99. It comes in a package already, the fresh herbs. And I'm going to add that in there as well. And I don't want it to be overcooked, so I'm going to cook it for about maybe 5 to 7 minutes and then take it out and put it in the pan that I'm going to add my meat to. So when it's done, I can add it to the oven. My overall cook time for the steak on top of the stove was for 15 minutes. Once it is done cooking on the stove, I'm going to put it inside my glass pan and put it in the oven on 375 for about 10 more minutes. And this is how everything came out. It came out really great. I had some roasted asparagus that I did in my air fryer. I have some creamy, garlic, cheesy mashed potatoes. I have the steak that just literally just melts in your mouth. I have my A1 sauce, my shrimp and bell peppers and onion shish kebabs, and I have some snow crabs on the side. So this was amazing, amazing meal, period. Everybody loved it. So if you guys tried this recipe at home, let me know how it came out. And if you can, comment down below. That way we can help YouTube's algorithm to send this video out more to other people. Like I said, thanks for supporting this channel. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.